Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. We're now on to lot 27, which is a Honda Press Cub 50 in blue. Price will be €1,750. It's a 2008 bike with only 7,000 miles on the clock. So if you didn't know about these Press Cubs, the main difference is the much larger front carrying capacity, as well as the relocated indicators, very large front basket, and also the larger capacity rear carrier also on them. Condition wise of the bike is in very nice condition. Front tire is perfect, pretty much brand new. Front spokes and alloy also very nice. Going to the front of the bike, no real marks to make note of. Same around the headlamp area. The plastics all looking good, no cracking or anything like that. Some rusting on the actual gear selector indicator, or gear selector I should say, or levers I should say. Some slight signs of corrosion here on the rear, and rusting here as well. Apart from that, nothing really too major to make note of on this left hand side. Right hand side now, dual tone seat in good condition. Again, the little bit of rusting on the rear carrying capacity at the rear is normal. Exhaust, on the exhaust cover we do have some signs of marks, but again, nothing too major. Center of the bike all good, plastics all good, front basket perfect condition, as well as the front where the drum brake is, as well as the alloy. So if you are interested in the bike, we will be taking a €150 deposit on her to secure her before arrival in September. Again, €1,750. The age is 2008 with 7,000 miles on her. And so if you have liked the video, please do leave a like. Do also leave a comment down below what you think of her, as well as subscribing if you haven't already.